members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Acholi Robin Babasi, also known as Tuke to some of you, also known as Robbie T. Thank you, Chairman, for this opportunity. Mine is about women, and I thank you for recognizing us today. I just want to urge women, to every woman out there in the creative industry, this is an opportunity for you, because in my opinion, I feel like women are the most creative. I'm not trying to look down on men, but in my own personal opinion, I feel like women are the most creative and they are the most resourceful. So dear women, the time is now. When I made up a decision to join work, that was some 7 months back, I usually like to take my time to analyze before I join a movement. So when I spoke to Badman Solo to tell me to clarify on the ideologies and the ideas they have for work, I found it relates to my personal need for Northern Uganda. We have been here for so many years, we have sacrificed so much, and we have been through so many challenges. And I feel like work is a godsend. It is our time to shine. It is our time to embrace work. It is our time to celebrate work. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you. Well done, sir. Thank you so much for the hard work. And the entire team from all the regions. Thank you so much. I knew I was joining the right movement, and here we are. You know, we are celebrating today. So I urge everyone, please, the fights must stop. This is not time for fighting. This is time for building Northern Uganda. This is not time for hearsay. If there's anything that you don't understand about work as a movement, please take your time, come and register, come and find out all the information you need as an individual. It is a win-win situation for all of us. You don't just sit back and wait to be told. Come and find out on your own. Don't just hearsay from the streets and say, oh, come and find out what's happening. So work is for everybody. I urge my fellow women, I emphasize on women. I'm a powerful woman. I want to see hundreds of women in Northern Uganda. I want to see women representing in every platform in Uganda, not just Northern Uganda, ladies and gentlemen. Women, ukati kama later. Our time is over. Don't hide your talent. Young girls, I see Carol, you're doing well. You're doing amazing. I teach young girls on how to cook. Anyway, that's a story for another day. But anyway, press members, thank you so much. Chairman, salute.
Thank you so much.